Hey, my lovelies! Welcome back. Today, we're exploring something on our tables almost daily, yet its true story is a mystery. Olive oil. This liquid gold. I witnessed firsthand how this aromatic wonder is made from a bitter little fruit. The journey is a fascinating mix of ancient tradition and high-tech. Come with me, I'll show you the magic. It starts where the sun blesses southern Europe, the olive groves. Once harvested by hand, today, gentle shaker machines make the ripe olives rain into nets, efficient and kind to the trees. But this is just the beginning. Next, the mill. First, a shower. Special washers remove every speck of dust and leaf. Any impurity would ruin the delicate flavor. Then, an airstream blows away the last twigs. Now they're ready. The heart of it all, cold pressing. The olives pass between giant granite millstones, ground slowly into a fragrant paste without heat. Heat destroys the delicate aromas and nutrients, and the paste then rests in kneaders, gently stirred. This malaxation lets tiny oil droplets merge, preparing to flow. Now, the drama. Traditionally, the paste is layered on natural fiber mats, stacked into a tower, and pressed. Slowly, immense pressure releases the gold. You can hear it. The first drip, then the flow. Shimmering amber-green oil. What's left is dry pomace. Pure poetry. Before bottling, the quality check. An oil sommelier judges color, scent, and taste. Only the best passes. Modern bottling lines fill, seal, and label each bottle with precision. From grove to sealed bottle, a journey of passion, precision, and respect for nature. So next time you drizzle it, remember each drop holds this journey, the sun, centuries of tradition, and the love of the craft. Taste the history. This isn't just oil. It's liquid Mediterranean, liquid culture. Like the journey? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more behind the scenes. Stay curious. Bye.